Okay, so just real quickly, this is your crucible. This is the cover to the crucible. Okay, these are breakable and relatively expensive. This probably together is $8 to $10. Okay, so it's not like a dime or something. So let's be careful with that. This is called a clay triangle. It too is made out of ceramic, so it's designed to have the high temperatures. Now, you have these crucible tongs, T-O-N-G-S. They're not thongs, they're tongs. Okay, and so you use these to go. Notice it has the little space there, so you grab them like this, and then you can put it onto here, and it looks like it's going to go through, but it's not, and you can just kind of go it there. Okay, so you have your ring stand, your ring, you have clay triangle, crucible, and cover. This is your wire gauze. Now sometimes we use this to heat up stuff too, but this is going to be your hot pad. So when you're done heating, you'll take this off, you can take the lid off, and then you just put around here like this and just set it onto here and let it cool for the 2 to 3 minutes. Okay? And then we're gonna go, weigh it. Always weigh, whatever you start in balance, you start weighing on it, weigh everything on that, because if it's off by a little bit, then it'll cancel itself out. Okay? So always weigh on the same balance. Okay? So take this, get the mass, put your 2 grams directly into it, bring it back, heat it up, and you need to start heating gently at the beginning, okay? Because what's gonna happen is the KClO3 melts before it decomposes. So it turns into a liquid. Then the liquid begins to kind of like boil, and then it decomposes and turns back into a KCl solid. Just like your spaghetti noodles, if you heat them up too strong, the pot boils over, right? Y'all have seen that? They'll see the foam rising? That's what will happen here if we heat it up too strongly at the beginning. Now, you need to heat it strong enough to where it's going to decompose. But, if you start seeing too much smoke coming out or whatever, turn the heat down just a tad, okay? And I'll be walking around trying to help you, making sure that doesn't happen, okay? So, follow the directions. The first thing we're going to do is you're going to heat up the crucible and cover. Where you clean it, you might want to just rinse it out with a wet paper towel or just rinse it, dry it, but then heat it up strongly for 2 minutes. So any impurities that might still be in here that can be driven off will be driven off. Then let it cool, take it, weigh it, add your 2 grams, bring it, heat it 10 minutes, let it cool, weigh it, heat it for 2 more minutes, let it cool, weigh it. If they're the same, you're done. If not, heat it for another 2 minutes until they're the same, then you're done. Okay, fill in all your observations as you go. What does it look like at the beginning? What does it look like in the middle? What's it look like in the end? Okay, all right.